कस्तो तैँले ऱ्याप हानेला जस्तो लागिरहेको सोझो छु म सोझो छु I listen something else. कस्तो टल्क्या त यार त नि घाममा त
Really?
Yeah, man.
It's a sunlight, dude.
It's my light.
Look at the sunlight.
It's my light, man.
Yeah, it's your life.
It's light. Are you okay?
Yes.
Huh?
I'm so excited.
Look, where were we?
Whoa.
I think that whoa was bigger than that stone, man.
I just even imagine, that powerful.
Seriously? Okay. So what do you want to say about this place? It is so beautiful, man. I just love the wind, I just love the place, I just love the trees. Everything is so perfect. Will you please click mine? I'm just already clicking, just you need to show me, okay?
Okay.
So
Why
that's
can't
me.
you face? Yeah, it's really beautiful. Wow.
Thank you, man. I just completed my song and I'm feeling
Okay.
so sigh that I sang. Thank you. He was the videographer of mine.
Yeah.
Video.
Yeah, I did it. You can see
You
the
did it,
video.
man.
Yes.
You achieved it. I like it. Achiever.